Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go up, so you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, then you click here on advanced. When just click here on advanced here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to you go down, come here to type answer into the card. Click in this sign here. The like you see this color for us, that's mean here type answer info into the card. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.